Welcome back to Acid Hot on top of Wazobia TV Star Times channel 195. Every weekday from 10 to 11. All the topic where they come and smoke inside the Nigeria political arrangement. Ezukuchuku, they are not inside studio. And today, the one they discuss, now the one when we say, our president come out, oh ha! Talks to anybody when they wait, make it call ministers them now. The person they on a long thing because now until September. Plenty people don't talk say they take in time so that when he make the ministers them come into office, he no go make mistake. Other people they talk say whether they wait till January 2016 or till February 2017, if the thing go get K-leg, it go get K-leg because of the kind of people who surround them. Unkubi.
Make I read that for you. Oga Muhammad Buhari talk say, look, it is pertinent for him to take his time to select the right person.
Read this thing for pidgin English.
Okay.
Nigerians
It is very, very important for him to take his time to do it, to appoint the right people who go work with him.
Because
for the sake of good governance.
Thank you very much.
And
the reason why he talk this one is because of the kind of people who surround him. Who be the people when he go select from? Not be party people, but in the fear. Say, hey, these kind of people when they hear, they fear.
The party people, the same party people,
you see the picture.
The same party people, no, say, the same party people, no, say.
You see the picture.
Hold on, let me talk now. Hold on.
When they show President Muhammadu Buhari list, then they show a list, and some people don't say that list. They write the names of all the people who don't chop Nigeria money. We can't see some people for the back of the picture that they look. They say one person see name for number 3. He can shout, "Hey, whoa!
Chukudi,
My name is on the list." It's on the picture.
No, the picture cannot. What the picture says, they different from what you read. The picture is different. Shay, you see at the right time as you take talk.
Shay, America don't tell us.
Nigerians now say as people they take line.
Take line.
The right time for the paper as you take talk. Now picture don't take summarize all these things.
Okay, Unkubi.
Because I say one person even straighten. Now you don't take summarize say
Unkubi.
yes.
America promise us say for the last 10 years for this country.
See, you don't have a point. You they lie.
Unkubi.
You they lie.
You can't say that.
You they lie.
You can't say that.
You they lie.
You can't say that.
This is enough for me to trust to see all the talk things we don't tell Nigerians are all bunch of lies.
You are the liar.
You don't they pack and
you are the liar here.
You are the liar here.
America don't tell us say they will help us trace $150 billion.
Yes.
They tell us, they don't tell us.
When this
they tell us, they
from
don't
which
tell
government
us.
This money starts to a pilot?
They tell us, they don't tell us.
From which government this money starts?
They tell us,
under your
they don't tell
people,
us.
under your same people, under PDP, under your government, right from 1999, even before 1999. Now they don't they pile up this money.
Who be the man? Who be the man when consider
why
for
can't
the
we say under this party? Now you got the guy to mention $115 billion. I see the people who see the money, not be your people.
Okay, Unkubi.
Answer to that. I'm not your people.
Muritala and Yako, when get EFCC case, when hang for a neck, now him and Pekin. Which party in day?
Chukudi.
No. Which party in day? Unkubi, which party in day?
Taraba State.
Unkubi, which party in day?
Jigawa State governor.
Unkubi, which party in day?
So
this one also say, not be about party. Who go chop money, go chop money. Who go chop money, go chop money. Not be about party.
EFCC, so they catch and Pekin in Tucson. Which party in day?
Omi, they call us from Lokoja.
Which party Lamido?
Omi, they call us from Lokoja.
Which party Lamido?
Omi, they call us from Lokoja. Omi, they call us from Lokoja.
Omi, talk to us. Lamido from PDP, don't mention that to me.
Chukudi, good morning.
Good morning.
Allow, now me call greet.
Good morning,
good morning.
Oga Omi, who you greet first? Now me greet. Let me take my greeting. Take your own.
Oga Omi, good morning.
Good morning, sir. I will deal with you.
Unkubi, good morning.
Good morning, Oga Omi. Thank you.
Oh man, no be so easy, Chukudi, easy. Hello.
We dey here.
How na day?
We dey fine,
Oga Omi.
Oh man, this is our program. I don't dey die put to.
I better not die, yo. Because tomorrow we go need to wash up again.
Imagine say 10 dey knack. I dey run like mad dog. Make I enter God dey watch the program.
Run, but not be like mad dog.
And I say they try well.
Thank you very much.
Oh, that they try well. I love the program well. Based on the battle, the small battle wey dey on ground now.
Okay.
This one whether they say our papa until September before he go
appoint ministers.
Before he go appoint the minister, yeah. It's good though, but it's not too good though. Make we remember say even from the day when he win election, where they don't call him, where they don't tell us say he don't win election, he don't suppose know people where he supposed to work with. Say we come the way say September. So Make we dey wait now, but you know still good though because some places now, some issues now where they supposed to treat. But based on say the minister they know they had the matter go come the day now, we go just sit down like this. Nigeria don't too big where we say we go come for that one and see the way to.
Thank you.
Now I make a drop there for
Well, thank you very much. No answer many questions.
I have the right to.
You don't have any right. 1-0.
Waiting.
1-0.
I don't want you to count that count here.
Is it not be me the count?
Don't count it before
1-0.
me.
Ogomi, thank you very much.
Thank you very much. I still want. Ogomi, if you say a word, listen. The point is this. Look. Change no go dey preferable for us to say, okay, maybe we'll take and gradually appoint the right set of people. We go fit give us good result rather than rush into appointing ministers.
So long as now people wey get KLX around now, we go still get the same issue.
Good morning, Chukmouth.
2-0. He's already sure.
Hello. Good morning.
Good morning, Oga Igo.
Morning this morning.
Good morning, Oga Igo.
Oga Okubi. Straight to you. See. If you go family meeting, as you go family meeting for na family and I can't go family meeting, the senior brother not come for the meeting. So you go talk say make the meeting no hold. As you no corner,
you go hold. Of course you go hold.
You go hold, ba?
Yes.
So now, since if they say you no go appoint minister till September, now you want me say now all those little ministry when they now go they furious. So that they go to steal money.
They know they work.
Excuse
me.
Allow him to talk.
They are working.
Allow him to talk.
No, wait. They are working, but
Thank
not effective because he gets some decision when you say you want take. Where they go want take, they go tell you say the person don't go fit do amoti. They appoint minister. So
Thank you very much.
All those funds now where they move now, who they sign them now? Who be the person they head the ministry?
Let him land.
Now for me.
Hold on. Allow him to land.
See, Okubi, see, this is what they talk about. What they call corruption. See, you compare say Obama when he enter office, he take time before he appoint a minister. See, America is over 300 years, so you cannot use America to compare Nigeria. You get me? We developing country. So since when the say as a put her in, he doesn't say, see who won't work with me. You go see now all the ministers.
When go
now no work. That if they travel, they go here, they go there, and they say they provide solution. But let it appoint the ministers. See, once he appoint the minister, what they see effective change, make things they go on. Not when you leave every product. Because I believe money is
ministers, Abi.
2-0, no, they ask Sam. Oga Igo, thank you very much. You don't make very, very important point.
Make it rush, appoint ministers.
See, make
we not see development in the end. Nana will still come back to say he's not doing anything.
Nkubi, before we take Ogo, make we take Ogo okay from Calabar. And I see all my point. You will not escape it. Ogo okay, we dey hear you. See, I'm here. I will use it to hit you.
Good morning, Mr. Chukode.
Good morning, Ogo okay.
Good morning, my Nkubi.
Good morning, Ogo okay.
How you dey?
We dey fine.
Chukode, you now?
I dey fine. He dey answer the greeting for 2 of us. He say how you dey? You say we dey fine. Is it your fine? Is it your fine? I see they hold the point. I go hit you.
Calm down, Chukode. No vex, no vex.
I dey okay today.
All right.
In trouble.
First of all, make I shook mouth now. My grandfather they tell me, he said the mouth where they use borrow money, no be that mouth that they use pay and back.
Thank you very much.
Your
grandfather is a wise man. His name na Solomon. You see, no, I know.
So now, Nkubi, on a house no day in order.
Yeah.
I would like me like I normally say, I go back to a drawing board, put on a house in order because on a problem that affect us. Then again, to be sincere, I go support Oga Buhari if he go take in time.
Oh, what are we not saying?
Alam, finish the talk.
If he go take in time, then choose the best for Nigeria.
Thank you very much.
Those who are not corrupt.
Thank you very much.
Those who are willing to take Nigeria to the promised land.
Oh.
I don't see anything wrong with that.
Thank you.
But time wait for nobody.
Thank you.
There is no time to waste time.
Thank you.
Making hasten up, making try.
Yes.
Thank you. God bless you.
Okay, thank you very much.
Okay, you don't make very, very important points. Making this thing 3-0.
2-2, 3-0. Now the final point to the
look. It's a final point.
Now the final point to the look.
I don't hold the point.
I take end up.
No, I don't hold the point.
Which point?
Now use the one when I say I want to use hit you. When I keep for you. Oga Israel from Enugu. Reverend not gonna save you. But I see the whole line, still the hot. Reverend, good morning, sir.
Don't drop that
morning, right good. How are you?
Good morning, Oga Reverend.
Reverend, good morning.
Put on that place. You see Israel for the stream, Evangelist Israel.
Now. You be evangelist, you be reverend, all join.
We know say you be evangelist. So
I greet you this morning.
good morning.
We greet you with the greeting
You
of
don't
God.
say, as you know, they allowed to connect me from control room.
No
But I
verse.
thank God for this opportunity now. Wake up.
Yeah.
See, it better make Nigeria leave this our president now. Make this our president lead us well, because this I see they talk and repeat them. This of Vasabi, he did too much. The man where they lead us now. I see how you and your colleague Nkubi just they make arguments because of the people where they work our money.
Okay.
Make our president get time. Think very well. The person where he hand they clean. No be the person where he go come give us now.
Yes.
More time we go see say monkey hand day for the person character.
Thank you.
I believe make he reach even that October, not the September. Make we make sure say any person where we do bring, we select that person and the person go lead us into promised land. Not be the person who go carry our money, work our money. Not the person who don't go carry our money, deposit for outside country. So we must make sure say if now one person, even the ministers, then they one, make we know that one or Obenge one. As on our television, the Obenge
television station,
And our program, as they hot.
So make you no give us the person where they hot, because person where they hot, this carry fire come. Make you give us the person where they good. Might be the thing why I say make
Thank you very much, Evangelist Israel. Thank you.
Why you dey do one like person wey dey under anointing? He
fact,
don't have this corner 4-0 now.
Do you know?
Now 4-0.
You're a thief.
Nkubi, are you ready?
I use the word
Are you ready?
See,
Are you ready?
I don't set my own for you now.
Are you ready?
2-2.
Okay, well, yeah, take him.
2-2.
Take him now.
Drop it.
Now.
Drop it.
E get people wey me say the reason why we dey get political appointment na because of say every party dey get political, social and economic aspirations. And a card carry member of the party wey believe in the dreams and the goals of the party.
Thank you very
na
much.
him go fit do wetin the party want.
Thank you very much.
Now, e get wetin dem dey call permanence for civil service. Whether soldier go, soldier come, government
person go
change,
still dey
the
there.
civil servant go still
Go
dey
still
there.
dey, yes.
But the political appointee na person wey go carry the interest of the party enter. Wetin we dey ask now be say if until September President Muhammadu Buhari no see better person for him party to appoint, if he wait till 2019 na the same thing go still happen.
Chukudi.
Na be this.
No, you
don
for
dey
your
shake.
mind.
You
For
don
your
dey
mind,
shake.
don't drop
You
point.
don dey shake.
But
You don
make
dey
also
shake.
be say this permanent sex or these people dey run the ministry still dey under that operational system, and it will not still stop them from not still running that system the way they want am.
But they be members of any political party.
But that same appoint, that
They
same
be members of
that
any
same
political
responsibility,
party.
that same ministries wey dem run, they go still dey run am, do the necessary things wey dey on ground to make sure say at least the government still move forward. The ministers wey dey appoint, it's only been appointed to check say okay, you guys have gone this far. Okay, make we still continue from here. So what else are we saying?
Why the minister go talk say
What
you
are we
guys
not saying?
why the minister go talk say you guys have done this far?
Yes.
Because the minister believe say see wetin my party don promise.
Even without the presence of the minister, the ministry go still dey work. Or even say they talk. Even without the presence of the ministry, the ministry go still dey work.
Nkubi.
That is why it is called an operational system.
Nkubi.
It has
This
a
one show
coordination.
say
It no get end.
this one show say our oga
Oga Victor
Presido,
from Zamfara
our
talk to
father.
us. Good morning. Hold on, Victor is calling.
Good morning,
Victor
Nkubi.
is
Good
calling.
morning, Chikodi.
Good morning. I don't hear you. Which one Victor is calling? Victor
Good morning,
is calling.
Oga Victor.
That's what I answer me now. Good morning,
dey hear
Chikodi.
Jare.
Good morning.
Yeah.
Good morning, Mr. Victor. May I greet you my own greet?
Are you with me?
We are
Yeah, we
with
dey
you.
hear right on.
You know, Oyibo man talk say justice delay is justice denied.
Thank you very much.
So the delay, to me, be like say e no good. E no good at all. If to say good, the state governors don't delay too in appointing their own. We salute some state governors. Immediately they saw them in, there they begin make their appointments. Which means right from the time when they announce their results, before that 2 months where they enter office, they don't know people who go work with them. So they make the appointment. The truth to be say, the house no day in order, APC no day in order. The fight where they fight for the House of Assembly, now the part of waiting to happen now. Because we will go appoint, we will go leave.
Thank you.
Some people will say appoint me. Some may say no appoint me, appoint the other person. You know, and by the time when people will bring a list, I may bring a list, other people bring their list. they will begin tear body.
Thank you.
So now the problem, make they tell us true. Let us wait till September. If the fight could end by September, fine. But I pray make the fight end by September. Because if you don't end, the same way where they shift resolution of House Assembly from 21st, shift and go for small. And I told they go past September.
Thank you very much.
Small.
Oga Victor from Zamfara, you don't talk the mind of all the people in the Zamfara. I did very, very sure. I did very, very sure.
Because you don't check the minds of the people in Zamfara. No, say, now the same mindset they run in them.
We did do National Assembly election June 9th. Waiting be today's date. July waiting.
Why ask him that
question? Why I no go ask you? No get calendar.
Why ask him about date?
You no get calendar.
Why ask him about date?
You no get calendar.
Why ask him about date?
Edwin from Port Harcourt. I will ask you if I want to ask you.
You don't have the right to ask me about date.
I have the right to ask you.
Edwin, good morning.
Yes, hello.
Good morning, Edwin.
Good morning, Mr. Chikudi.
Good morning, Oga Edwin. Allow me greet my greet. He call my name now. If he call your name, greet your own. Don't be greeting my greet for me. Good morning, Oga Edwin.
Nkubi, good morning.
Good morning, no better person. Good morning.
Nkubi, my friend, make you calm down, I beg.
Oh.
I beg. Waiting with the expert, not be waiting with the see now.
Thank you very much.
To my contribution, I will say before someone will build a house, you must make estimates and know the cost of that house. And when you start the project, you will go all the way so that you complete it, other people will be seen. I really see that President Buhari be no day ready. He be no day sure say this election self him go win. That is why he be they talk about change. But he no really prepare people where go work with him when he enter. So now as he come enter, they see and say he enter by accident. Now he make in the talk about he go take time because I just observe, understand, say the time where he really they do the campaign, he no know people where they credible, where go follow and work. When he even won the contest, I even they talk about people where they follow him. Those people that were following were the people that even make me personally, I no agree vote him. Because I know say if I vote him, the same people who I know say then they corrupt go still there with and their vote. And that is the problem he's facing now. Because he made a promise to Nigerians. So he won't fulfill the promise. So he's looking that maybe if he bring these people now, these people go fail him. Now he's taking his time. Don't let him take his time. But what I want to actually say is that if he take time, make it still make sure say those people where they follow him, where no good self, he go to deal with them, we go to see. Because if he take time, work with those people that he said that they are credible, and he no deal with this one indirectly will be still fighting him.
Oga Edwin, thank you very much. As in this, the way where you talk this thing now, my body don't calm down, and I don't forgive Nkubi for all the thing when we say, you know, come here, come talk on all this show today. You are forgiving. We go quickly go.
Forgive or what, God?
I don't leave you.
Wait. Not even mention the word forgiveness here.
Father, forgive them. They do not know what they are doing.
Father,
when we go this break, come back.
What he's doing. Don't ever forgive me. What can I do? Wait,
allow me go break.
I beat you. I collect your wife.
When we go, allow me. We don't reach the final stretch or lap of As E Dey Hot. And till we reach the final bus stop, we're going to discuss the matter as the thing they really hot. As it get to do with the talk when we say, Oga President talk, say, you know, go name ministers until September. Make we hear waiting, Oga Obiora go tell us all the way from Yola. Good morning, Oga Obiora.
Oga Obiora, good morning. Oga Obiora.
We hear say Oga Obiora been the wait. Oga Obiora been no verse. We need to go that place.
Why no go? If I even pick this on time, waiting be all these analysis, all these thesis where they give us. Talk this thing, you don't make us lose Oga Obiora now. And anyway.
Oh, you dey talk this one, make it be like make Oga Obiora think say you be better person or waiting.
I've always been a better person.
Be Nigerians know who you are.
Nigerians know who you are. Don't tell me Nigerians
they know that you are not truthful. They know say me I dey go church. They know that they sit down for front.
So now person they go church, nine they truthful. No, they ever use church. Excuse me, they confuse Nigeria yet. We never see people they go church in the end. They are still sinners.
Oh.
How am I sure you're not a sinner? As a matter of fact, before my own that you're a sinner.
We know some of
the
them.
only people who will say they're transparent, that are not sinners, before people like us and before Nigerians are the likes of Oga Muhammad Buhari, who they taking time to appoint the minister.
Everybody knows, say our papa na person when we never deep in this side.
Thank you very much.
But we know some people when we say that now them they dance pass for Thanksgiving. Now then they dance pass for Thanksgiving. But we know their record. 3 or 4. Make I call.
The same record. Mention them. The same record you people have. The same platform of record you people started. And I start all this drama. This corruption. Now start them.
God bless. God bless.
Thank you very much for calling. Good morning. God bless. So they mention that you are there. Good morning. God bless.
Good morning.
Good morning. God bless.
Good morning.
Good morning. With the year, right on.
Yeah, my brother. This minister went in the hole, so now big problem for us, so because the permanent secretary, them be like rat when you live for inside house, so because you need to check them, because without the minister there, they run that office the way they like. Before you know, they don't employ 1 or 2 persons there. They don't put some ghost workers there again, because as the other people leave now, an opportunity for them to bring in ghost workers. They don't put in ghost workers. When you call them civil servants, they are not civil servants, but evil servants, because they are not doing anything good there. So, my brother, if minister they go, PS follow, come out, that would be the best thing for us. Because leaving them there, I don't know the whole. I don't know the whole inside the house. I don't know all the corner for the ministry, where they want to do anything. So I beg, make you appoint a minister. September too far. It's too far for us. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Oga. God bless.
Thank you.
Oga, God bless. Wari just joined. Oga Obiora from Yola. Oga Edwin from Port Harcourt. Oga Victor from Zamfara. Evangelist Israel from Enugu. Oga Oke from Calabar. Oga Igo from Abuja. And Oga Omi from Lokoja. To tell me, say, what I don't talk here. It's very, very true.
My eye that you're a criminal.
Let me crown it with Oga Sam from Lagos.
Individual.
You can't say that.
Why would they still Obiora talk?
Oga Sam from Lagos. I know what you want to talk.
Good morning, Oga Sam.
Good morning.
Good morning. Right on, with the area of Sam.
Mr. Nkubi, good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
And you say you could have
I did well, sir.
You see, it's off now, and I'm trying to talk.
Me, Abi?
But what I want to write up is saying, you see, the strategy does not really depend Islam. You understand? So it's just like, say, the cutlass enter farm, where the grass don't grow. You know, we can't begin the rush to cut grass, because if they cut grass, you go make me say, go cut fast away inside there. So decision, as we go through, each of them say, decision making is one of the hardest things to do. If you rush, make decision making just like the enter button for a computer. Once you press and you don't make that decision, and if you land it for good, if you land it for bad. So each president Buhari is true to his cause. Yeah, see, say, he is taking time. And taking this time, and if you look inside that matter, you will see, say, you see that this man, Tinubu, gets his own deal. Obasanjo got his own deal. Every other person got his own deal. The same kind of cost wahala. Instead, making go rush, make decision, he just take a while. So that at the end, everybody going, I know say they hard on Nigerians now, but my patience is because it does not really come easy.
Oga Sam
from Lagos.
Fact,
you don't make very,
thank you very much for your
that point where you hammer on say because of the kind people wey surround our president. Make we dey very careful. I agree with you. I agree with you.
Chukudi, we talk and don't talk and here already.
No, you don't agree talk. Now only me dey talk.
We don't mention here. You don't agree talk. Some people carry list go give that he didn't. So that's why I said he is taking his time. Who be the people?
APC governors.
Don't they ask me this question?
APC
I don't want. Don't they ask me this question?
Why I don't ask you question? Who you be when I don't ask you question? Who you be when I don't ask you question?
It's okay. For the second day, allow me to remove my cap.
I don't tell you say okay. You think say only if you remove something, remove your cap. I remove my own jacket. No, make we begin the remove. Make we begin the remove.
You are removing your suit for me.
Make we begin the remove.
You are removing your jacket for me.
Because you remove your cap.
You are removing your jacket
because
for
you
me.
remove your cap.
Chukudi.
You remove your cap.
Chukudi.
You think say only if you remove things.
What I talk? What is wrong?
Why you gonna remove cap? Why you gonna remove cap? We dey remove cap.
Select people wey go select. What do you have? Which kind of problem get with that?
The people wey surround them, then we get problem.
That is why he's taking his time.
People wey we say we no trust.
That's why he's taking his time. Allow him work.
He's taking his time. Is that why you go command cap for me? Is that why you go command cap for me?
So you can't even get the liver. You get the liver, the whole-hearted liver. You get liver to come out suit for me.
Come on, shirt. If you come out, I come out. You think that only if you come out things.
You get the liver to come out suit for me.
You get the mind to come out cap for me.
So,
think inside they fear you.
So you don't grow with that, Abi?
You say what?
Don't they grow wings?
Don't try me, oh.
Don't they grow wings?
I have military background.
Chukudi.
I have military background.
Sincerely between me and you, let us tell ourselves some good truth. Chukudi, if in the end Oga Muhammadu Buhari appoint these people and
when we the fear,
I am the one
when
talking.
we don't trust,
I am the one talking.
You cannot talk.
I am the one talking.
You are not talking
Take
anything.
Time,
you are talking. I'm talking. We are
and
talking.
And in the end, for the rest of the 3 years plus like how many months we go remain? At least we will see effective development in the country.
Depending on the people when he appoints, when come from the political party. But why are Nigerians afraid?
That is why he's gradually taking his time. He's being transparent with himself. And he also wants to say the people where you go work with, the ministerial people where you go work with, also they very transparent.
If you want marry woman when we say, you don't talk and say, now woman when they like this, now you want marry.
I not ever tell you that one.
I just give example.
No, they give me example.
I will give this example. I must give this example.
Because I'm not into them.
There's nothing.
I'm not into them.
Okay, if you say you want marry woman when they like this now, you go need to look for a very long time. Not be to carry your eyes, see. Okay, but don't saying go appoint people when we say they go work with them to lead this country forward.
What is that a bad statement?
People went bad, surround them, we know. People went bad, then the other party, we know.
And that
so
is why
go straight to the point and carry out
to
action.
Make some appointments we don't make. Who question them?
Which appointment you don't
make? The
make?
appointments we don't make. Who question them?
We talk about ministers, we talk of special advisors.
Yes.
Our people, allow me to take this.
Allow you to talk what's called.
But this cap where you come on, you go put like inside one trouser. Our people went there for house. Until we come back tomorrow with another topic when they come out plenty smoke to discuss who could be where they go.
Tell them say bye-bye now.
Oh, you don't ready for the fight?
Tell them say bye-bye.
Who could be giving my jacket?
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.